Finally, my correct people, the federal government don react to reports about Russia forcing Nigerian students to join Ukraine war. Now, according to the report, Russia now dey carry international students dey add join body with their war make dey for give them extra manpower. Meanwhile, based on June 12 wey be Democracy Day, the PDP now come use the opportunity come dey yarn dey give our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu say make him lis ten to country people and make him review im suffocating policies. No be small matter, my correct people. Without wasting much of your time, make I give you the full details of these headlines wey I carry come for you. But before I proceed, I wan let you know say this na Anointed Lady TV. Na we dey give una ogbonge and legitimate news on the things and things wey dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe, make you try subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the updates dey come, you go dey get am sharp. So back to the koko of the hour, my correct people. The tori be say the report by Bloomberg, wey be one international media platform wey dey based for inside America, come dey yarn say Russia now they don decide say they no go extend the visa of African students and young workers unless they agree to join their military to go dey fight war. So according to the report, Russia now wan dey carry international students join body for their war so that e go come give them extra manpower. As the federal government dem hear this one sharp, na dem respond to the report. They come dismiss the report, they call am false and misleading. Then the spokesperson of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs wey be Ambassador Eche Abu Obe, na him come outside come dey clear the doubts of country people. Him come put the minds of country people at rest based on his statement wey him drop on Tuesday wey be the June 11, 2024. For such statement, him come dey yarn say e no get any time wey dem drop any report wey dem talk say dem don carry Nigeria or other African students come go join body to go dey fight war so that kind thing e never come board. And the ambassador come still dey yarn for inside him statement to say the ministry now dey wish to inform the general public say the Nigerian embassy wey dey for inside Moscow dey in close communication with the executive of the Nigeria Student Association wey dey inside Moscow, and e no get any time wey dem report any case say dem don carry Nigerian students or any African students to go dey fight war. Say no, they never hear that kind of matter. Say the newspaper reports are therefore false and misleading and make country people just disregard the report. And he constantly beg media outlets say make they dey exercise due diligence in line of duty. Make they dey try dey verify their information before they come release am give the general public. And no be lie, my correct people. He say another thing wey fit harm the nation, another thing now wey fit cause kasala for inside we nation, wey fit even cause fight between two countries, na misinformation. When person now don come outside come dey yarn things and things say na legit, na wetin happen be this, but true nothing really happen. That kind of levels e no funny at all. Na why Anointed Lady TV like to dey give country people ogbonge and legitimate info on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria, because we know very well say e no make sense and e no get anything wey we go benefit for inside. Now as the federal government come clear the air say make we comot body from that useless report say no be true say e no get any time wey Russia now begin dey plan say they go carry Nigerian students or any African person carry join body go dey fight war. So moving on to the next information I bring come for you, the tori be say the People's Democratic Party wey be PDP, they don sama warning give our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and they dey give am this warning sake of how things be for inside we country Nigeria. And they come dey yarn say the reaction of hungry people is better imagined. That is to say the situation is critical, no be small. The People's Democratic Party now constantly call our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu say make him follow the path of democracy, say make him lis ten to country people and make him review im policy wey don dey suffocate the life of the country and countrymen dem. Now the koko no end there The People's Democratic Party wey be the opposition party constantly yarn dey give country people say make dem use this year's Democracy Day, make dem use am as opportunity to take speak out against the anti-democratic tendency of the insensitive All Progressive Congress wey be APC. That is, make country people dem use this day now e take voice out their pains, make dem talk how e dey do them, make dem cry out against the anti-democratic policy and all the reforms of the All Progressive Congress wey be APC. And no be lie, my correct people. You see I said democracy na of the people, by the people and for the people. everything wey concern democracy e just dey about the supremacy of the will of the people, the rule of law and the pursuit of the security and well-being of country people. So e no bad now if that same country people come use democracy day take voice out the things and things wey dey pain them. Now if the current administration no dey do well, this na opportunity to dey tell the federal government say see where e dey pain us o, make una do something about the matter. But already me I dey get the feeling say dem know wetin dey pain us for inside we country Nigeria, and that na why the thing dey pain the People's Democratic Party wey be PDP. Dem say instead of country people now to dey celebrate freedom and good governance wey be the essence of democracy, and that na Chief MKO Abiola standard, but country people dey suffer because of the exploitative and poorly implemented anti-people policy of the All Progressive Congress wey be APC. And these policies now e don bring more poverty come inside we country. According to the People's Democratic Party wey PDP, they say the rise in fuel prices and the electricity tariff hike without any policy or program wey go improve the welfare of the people, na if we come give country people sef dey expose say this their policy na anti-people policy. And the PDP come still dey yarn my correct people say the 21 billion naira luxury mansion for our vice president wey be Ibrahim Shatima by our current president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu for inside this country wey be say things choke, country hard with over 40% unemployment rate, millions of country people dey hungry, and if you check schools and hospitals you go see am say they no get basic operation equipment and tools. But if you check APC leaders their lifestyle you go see am say they just dey enjoy, they just dey live la vida loca. Na why the PDP wey be People's Democratic Party dey urge our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu say make him use the occasion of Democracy Day take torchlight the condition of the nation, make him see how things dey be under him watch, especially as public now dey cry of hunger and high cost of living. So na so the matter be like my correct people. And if you check this matter properly, if we torchlight the things and things wey the PDP dey yarn dey give our president, you go see am say na legit. Before our president remove this fuel subsidy matter, before our president now begin dey implement some kind policies like this, he suppose to bring up things and things like this wey go help the country people. Now everybody for inside we country Nigeria dey hear am hot except for the APC leaders. E no make sense at all at all. Now countrymen no get money and they no get where to borrow, that kind level e no make sense. This na the information wey I bring come for you my correct people. Anyhow the thing be you for body, or if you get suggestion or you get contribution, drop am inside our comment section. You know say this na Anointed Lady TV, where they like to give you ogbonge and legitimate information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside this our nation. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come, then you go first get the updates and you go get am sharp sharp. And I beg make you try to share the news to your family and friends. No dey stingy with the updates, make them too dey know wetin dey happen for inside our country Nigeria. I dey bring on that news for you my correct people. No go anywhere.